have to implement your speaking skills or your English in the real world. Okay, so now I'm going to share my experience in front of you. Okay, now I'm taking training in a software full stack development Java in a IT company. So in my surroundings, almost I have a 4 to 5 trainers are there, and they all are belonging from South India. They all belongs from South India. So as we all know that in South Indian people don't know Hindi. So their mother tongues are different from us. Like some of them are speaking Malayali or Kannada or like Telugu or I don't know, Tamilian maybe. So now if I am living here or if I am doing my work here, so I have to make conversation with my colleagues or with my senior ones especially. So now speak. Now suppose that I don't know English. Should I able or can I able to make my conversation to these peoples? Suppose I have to start my work or I want something from my senior and he don't know Hindi. Even he don't know Hindi little bit. So now what should I do? What will I do?
Speak in English.
And what if I don't know English?
Join our education.
So that means implementation of your skill is the best example that you should have a courage that yeah, if I will speak English, if I will learn English, then I will be able to speak those people who don't know my mother tongue. So English is the mediator or common point in front of all the languages or all the traditions or cultures located in every single portion of the world. So by the help of this skill, you should be able to make conversation with them all. So you should start growing your career in the English. You should start speaking little bit grammar also. Now suppose this little boy, I don't know the name of that boy, but he has successfully addressed his speech just in the form of simple present only. So he gave the best example that if you know only simple present tense, you will be able to address the people, you will be able to transfer your thoughts in the people who are sitting in front of you, whether they are in the senior or whether they much have a higher age to you. So these type of young boys will motivate me in my future also whenever I feel suffocated or suppressed by someone. So I just simply say that you will be able to speak or you will be able to learn more after learning all the concepts of grammar. So you should be practice and you should be learn more grammar concept that you will be implement more in your speech also. And due to your speech, now I have realized that what is the power of simple present tense. So keep it up, well done. Okay, second advice. You should respect your parents. Why? Because in my younger age, I thought that parents are like, mad. They are, like pushing me back or they are, denying my things. Like if I'm saying that I want to go here and there, I want to enjoy with my friends and I want to go anywhere. My mother simply said, you should have to start studying. You should do study. You should not go there. You should not sit with those people who are not has a good mindset or something like that. At that time, I was simply ignoring my mom. But now I realize that if I will have or if I have any true partner or true supporter in my life, that is my mom only. So I should be thankful to my mom also that due to her only I will be able to speak that much things in front of you. Okay. My third advice is if you are learning something, you should have a faith inside your learning or inside your field that you will be doing or that you are doing or that you are going to do. So be practical and be patient, and if you are doing something then continuously do that thing only. Don't go your mind here and there. Don't listen to anyone that this is not a good field or this is not a good thing and all. If you have a belief, if you are starting and at the time of starting you thought that it's a good field and I can be able to do, then be respectful to your thought always and keep growing in your particular field, whether they are like acting or education field like engineering, doctoring, MBBS and math, whether it is a speaker only. But speaker has a lot of power to transfer his thoughts to the people in the whole world exist. Okay, maybe that I'm losing some grammatical mistakes right now because I'm not attending the classes regularly because I don't have so much time right now. But I will be able to implement all these things, all these grammatical rules that I have learned from the Arya education. And you know one thing, sir, that yesterday when I was given my mock to my senior one, he is from Odia, like Odisha. So I have given two mock to that person. So in my mock, like previous to that yesterday's mock, I was simply putting my answers in front of him. So he was saying that it looks like that you are throwing answers in my mouth. You are not, simply like gently you are not giving the answers. It looks that you have a lot of attitude of your study or of your knowledge. So yesterday I simply said to him that, sir, if I am able to giving the answers very well, so it's cause of you only because you gave me the knowledge, and after getting the knowledge from you, I am giving the knowledge again to the people who are sitting in front of me. So that at that same time, I also want to thank Arya sir also that if I am speaking very well in English or if I am able to speak in English in front of that people who is not belongs from my area, and even at that people who is belongs from South India and he don't know a single word of Hindi, I have been able to successfully a good, like good speaking with that person, and after given my mock, he has successfully said sorry, Sukrat. Maybe that I, like, sir, what is the meaning of
I
like,
misunderstood.
misunderstood you? Now, like when he said sorry to me, I feel, very proud, or I feel good at that time that with the help of this skill only, I am being able to realize that person that he was a wrong. So thank you so much, sir, for making me that much level. And I also want to make my English higher or make my English level much more in front of this time also, sir. Thank you so much.
Good.